Okay, folks, let's say I want to solve the equation 4 minus 3x is equal to 7. So, I want to get x on its own. Now, there's two different ways here of tackling this. I'm going to go about, okay, so I'm going to make it so we've got a positive x. I'm going to add 3x to both sides. Okay, so we're not dealing here with a negative 3x or a minus 3x. So it becomes 4 is equal to 7 plus 3x. Now I can subtract the 7 on both sides. So minus 7 and minus 7. 4 minus 7 is of course minus 3 is equal to 3x. Now to get x on its own, I'm currently timesing it by 3. So I'm going to divide both sides by 3. When we do that, we get minus 3 divided by 3 is minus 1 is equal to 3x over 3. So minus 1 equals x. Therefore, x is equal to minus 1. Okay, hopefully that makes sense. Okay, that is actually my preferred way. The second way that you can also do if you're wondering is if I just write it out again, so I'm going to have 4 minus 3x is equal to 7. Okay, I could also subtract 4 on both sides. Yeah, because obviously got plus 4 there. So subtract 4 on both sides, we get minus 3x is equal to 7 minus 4 is 3. And then divide both sides of my equation by minus 3 or negative 3. Okay, and when we do that, these 3's are going to cancel, all these minus 3 are going to cancel. We get x equals 3 over minus 3. Be careful here, makes minus 1. So we get x equals minus 1 or x equals negative 1 as our answer. Okay, but my preferred way here is the first method of making the coefficient of x or the x part positive. So I added 3x to both sides, then subtracted 7 and then divided 3 by 3. Okay, it has one more step here than the second method. Okay, but just avoid here the whole negative palaver. Okay, but if you're happy with the negatives, then this second method is completely fine. But be careful here that obviously when it's a positive here divided by negative, okay, the sum of the answer is going to be negative. So yeah, bear that in mind.